for the weather now, and Lily joins us. And Lily, the sun has been just fantastic over the past few days. Is that set to continue though?
Well, it might be a little bit cooler and a little bit breezier tomorrow, but the sun is here and the dry weather is sticking with us as well. And I've obviously been sent in lots of photos because so many of you have been out enjoying the weather, but I think this one really sums it up from today. The sun has got his hat on, lots of us have our hats on, so lots of lovely blue skies and more of that to come.
Yeah, absolutely, and we know that those blue skies sometimes and hopefully equals high, and we know that that means pressure, and that means a particular bit of equipment that we sometimes use to measure our weather, isn't it? And a good time to recalibrate it?
Yes, absolutely. I've got a little picture that I think you anticipated, which is this thing here, which measures the...
Actually, for once, I'm going to answer it because I usually get everything else wrong. It's a barometer, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So some of you may have one of these. It helps measure the pressure and helps to predict.
Barometer on it as well.
Oh yeah, bit of a clue. Bit of a clue there, but it gives an idea of what weather you've got to come. Our Earth's atmosphere exerts pressure on the surface. We get high areas of pressure and areas of low pressure, and when it's high pressure, it tends to be fine, dry, and settled. Now, the best time to reset one of these this week, if we take a look at the weather chart, you can see that we have got high pressure that's moving in, and it is pretty much going to be staying over us over that in a while. Now or in the next few days would really be a good time to set that one.
Have we had any other sunshine snaps at all?
We have some lovely sunshine snaps and some spring snaps of some fantastic wildlife. A lot of these actually sent in by Kim, starting with that Kim captured of a close-up of the duckling. Very, very sweet. And I thought I'd end on the weather check on the weather now. Here's the forecast. Well, it has been another day with bright conditions, lots of lovely bright colours in this photo, as well as some of those blue skies, which we are set to enjoy for a lot of this week. So plenty of you have been sending in your weather photos because, of course, it's great weather to be getting out, enjoying the sunshine and enjoying all that our islands have to offer. And we have got more of that to come on the way. When we take a look at the weather chart, you can see high pressure sitting over us, so staying fine, dry and settled. Notice on Wednesday, those isobars just squeezing slightly, so a slightly breezier day to come tomorrow. A little bit cooler as well by a few degrees, but staying fine. It will be getting milder as well once we reach the end of the week. Back to you tonight then, and it's going to be a dry night in store with long clear periods. The winds coming in from that northeasterly direction are just going to be freshening up a touch as we approach dawn, with minimum temperatures tonight of around 7 to 9 degrees, so similar to what we've been used to over the past few days. Heading into tomorrow then, it will be a similar picture in terms of dry with lots of blue sky weather and sunshine. But as I mentioned, temperatures are down a degree or so, and you will notice that even more because the winds are a bit stronger as well, a moderate force 4 to a fresh force 5. So just feeling that slight bit cooler with highs of 13 to 15 degrees. But actually that still is fairly good for this time of year, just not quite as mild as we've been used to. Let's get our times of high water then, between 5 AM and 6 AM, later on between 5:45 and 6:30, with the sea temperature now at 10.7 degrees. So moving through the week, as I mentioned, we've got slightly cooler air coming in for tomorrow, but then it will warm up again and feeling mild with that warmer air coming in by the time that we reach Friday. And we can see that reflected in our outlook. Lots of sunshine to come. Thursday, perhaps a little bit of the cloudier of the days, but turning warmer by Friday with the sunshine returning as well.